Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 141 Mandarin Drive in the town of Greece. This is an amazing property. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends to this amazing property. Featuring this spacious foyer with beautiful leaded glass double doors and a contemporary mirror accent wall. Step inside this luxurious living room with an expansive window and open to an entertainment-sized dining room with hardwood floors and nature views of the beautiful backyard. Open to an updated kitchen with beautiful craft-made cabinetry and tile backsplash and tile floors, all open to a spectacular family room with a brick wall fireplace, tile floors, and a sliding glass door to the deck. The first floor also features a bedroom or office with hardwood floors, plus an adjacent half bath. The excitement continues upstairs with 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, a double bath with a convenient access to the primary bedroom, all with great views. While the lower level has a second kitchen and a bar area, plus open to a spacious activity or media room to watch the big game. This rear double lot is beautifully landscaped, featuring an entertainment-sized deck and gazebo. What a great way to enjoy peace and tranquility with these nature views. This property is located in a neighborhood of fine homes, with sidewalks, nearby schools, shopping at Mall of Greece Ridge, and Lake Ontario. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 141 Mandarin Drive in the town of Greece. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.